I'm Sophie Davis and I'm social media manager at Swansea City Football Club. So there are no 2 days the same in my role. I do everything from managing the social media accounts to writing articles to interviewing current and former players. I also do things like host the podcast, manage external player media requests. So it's very varied, it's a bit of everything, but it's always different, which I enjoy. So I've been a Swansea City fan since, well, as long as I can remember. I've been going to games since I was 4 years old. So I think to be doing a job I love for the football club I love is just the perfect opportunity for me. I wouldn't change it for the world. It's something I enjoy doing, and I think if you're passionate about it, it doesn't feel like work, which is the best part of it, really. I started on work experience at the club when I was 16 years old. So then I volunteered for 4 to 5 years alongside my undergraduate degree at Swansea University and my master's degree at Swansea Uni. And then when I graduated, I went full-time with the club, initially in the marketing department, but then worked my way over to the media department where I am to this day. I think doing media and communications at Swansea Uni gave me an overview of the entire media industry, really. But I think the key for me was the internship module in my final year of my undergraduate degree, because that enabled me to come in-house within the club to do a full year internship here. And since then, I just went on to a part-time role and then paid full-time role. So it gave me an overview, but also industry experience at the same time. So it was really helpful. I'd advise anyone to study media and communications at Swansea University because it's such an exciting and interesting industry. And when I was younger, I always wanted to do a job that other people would consider as a hobby or fun. So coming to football matches was my hobby when I was younger. So now to come and do that as my job, it is just the perfect scenario for me. And I think within media and communications, you learn so much about current society and the world. It's not just narrowed into the media industry. Like, I felt like I had a more rounded perception of the world after studying it. I chose Swansea University as, if you can't tell by my accent, I've lived in Swansea my whole life, but not only that, just the career prospects and the opportunities presented by the university was just amazing. And I think just the support I had off the staff at the university, I've carried that with me today. I still keep in touch with them today because it's just a part of my life I will always cherish, and I miss university, and if I could go back, I think I would one day.